My name is Ngao from Viettel High Tech. We are one corporation under Viettel Group. Viettel Group is a state-owned company under the Vietnam Ministry of National Defense. We are very proudly to be here today to attend the SAHA Expo this year to showcase nearly 100 products under our defense division. Currently, our products are divided into 8 different categories to acquire the information such as radio, such as radar, EO, UAV, or electronic warfare, and then to transfer that collected data to the command and control center using our military communication. And at the command and control center, we also have the command and control system to help the commander to make the decision. And after that, we also have the modeling and simulations product, and we have the capability in modernize and upgrade the weapons. Here we are showcasing several types of our UAV product. The first one is a lightweight medium range reconnaissance UAV. With the range is up to 70 kilometers and working hour around 6 hours for the reconnaissance missions. And here is loitering munition. The range is around 20 kilometers. All of these are field proven and everything on the design, because we are Viettel, we do the R&D and also manufacture everything in-house in Vietnam, and those are our own fields proven. For Viettel High Tech, we have several types because we master the core technology and we understand the threat and the necessary of the counter UAV system and product. So currently we have 5 different type of product for the counter UAV family. The first one is a station version, 4 main subsystems. The first one is a radar, active radar. The second one is a passive radar, which is a direct firing passive radar. The third one is electro-optic. The fourth one is a jammer gun. And the fifth one is hard kill. For the hard kill, we have the EMP, electromagnetic pulse, to jam the drone or UAV that we detect. In Southeast Asia, Viettel is quite well known. But in Europe and especially in Turkey, this is my first time to be presented here. From my point of view, firstly, I would like to let other people in Europe and also Turkey to understand about Viettel, who we are and what we can do first. That's the first thing. And for our advantage, we believe that we are like a startup company here in Europe, and we master the technology, we have the technology, we are very young, and we are eager to enter the market, and we are looking forward to any potential collaboration with any company here in Europe or Turkey. Viettel stands for Vietnam Telecommunications, and at the beginning we are founded with a mission to provide the telecommunication service to Vietnamese people. That's the reason why our name is Viettel. And at the beginning, the advantage from telecommunication, we developed the military communication for Vietnam Army, and then we do the export. And this is a quite new product. This is a 5G private network for military use, because Viettel is one of 6 companies all over the world master the whole system, whole network, 5G network, from core layer to transmission layer to terminal layer. With our capability and technology in telecommunication, we developed this product. It is a 5G private network for military use. It can be provided to the army or any military requirement, secure and fast, high speed communication.